about his runway, sticks out like a thumb there, look.
Yeah. Looks very well manicured.
Yeah, they do well. Take care.
Couple of aircraft over there by the hangar.
Yeah. The Jabberoo's out, so I reckon he's gone to North Wales. Get his aerial done. Oops. Because his van's parked up near the hangar.
Golf is 1 on 25 to land at Golf. Airfield information due to weather closing in.
We give it a go?
Yeah.
I'll get a cup of tea.
Are you going to land in the direction we're flying now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That strange noise?
Yeah.
But I'm not sure it's us.
Like a wind noise.
Well,
It's background noise off the radio, the sound of it. Not sure of the circuit here, but I think they go around the other side of the church.
yeah, I think they give the church quite a bit of a wide berth, I think.
Oh shit, we're up to 90 mile an hour now.
Yeah, there's a lot more runway, isn't there?
Yeah. We're pretty quick coming in there.
Yeah.
No wind really, we're doing nearly 80.
Very nice one, sir. Oh, and some air. You happy with that one then?
What? You're in? Everything just falls to your hands, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You sit in it and everything is exactly
Has it
where
got
you
toe
want.
brakes?
Yep. On the tops of the pedals. Yeah, everything is. And that sort of weight on the elevator and the aileron there is slightly heavier than what it is in flight.
Is it really?
Yeah, you just think and it just goes round, doesn't it? You don't.
And you say your rotation is around the centre of your face, isn't it? Around
Yeah. Well, yeah. By pure fluke, the centre of pitch on this, right, is right on your testicles.
Oh, is it?
Literally, yeah. And the centre of roll is the bridge of your nose. So if you do a roll, you don't sort of see it. If you
I've
get it
probably got bigger testicles than you, so I
nice one. I like that.
definitely big.
I like
yeah,
that.
and a bigger nose. Can I try the back?
Fun?
Can I try the back?
Yeah. Watch it. He's got all his camera paraphernalia in there. I'm flying along just now, and all of a sudden I'm like, what's that? And there's this thing coming out
magic
telescope,
wand.
and it's going past.
You're taking pictures of me.
I'm experimenting, so don't be surprised.
Okay.
Get out of it! You'll have it up my bloody trouser leg next. The trouble is, I've got too much of a wobble on it, but yeah, there we are.
Oh.
Don't very often get the both of us in shot.
No.
Could you hold the bloody thing still? Don't want the aircraft.
Yeah. I can hold it still, but
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you hold the camera, we'll forget the aircraft.
yeah, the throttle will shut itself the moment
Yeah.
I let go.
Okay. Well, that'll be an interesting shot.
Once you're in, your feet will actually come right forward. Put the heels right up. Yeah, it does give you a bit more. Oh, yeah. The old prostate. Yeah, that's fine.
Your knees are up.
Yeah, well, that's not uncomfortable. I mean, that's okay, really. So he said, well, all right, we'll have to do an accelerated stall. He said, so just pull it up and make it stall. So I pulled. It got about there and it just nodded. And that was it. You know, I was straight on the stick and it just nodded and that was fine. But it was indicating about 40 mile an hour. So he said, let's try full flat then. So I said, no. He said, why is that? He said, how do you feel about it? I said, I don't. And I've got 50 degrees of flap on that and they're not supposed to have that much, but that's what I've got on it to get it in the nail. And I'm the only person that, well, my son flies it, but I know what it is. I mean, you saw the speed of coming there and that was full flat. And so anyway, he said, well, let's try it. We got up there and we pulled it up. And it didn't want to go. We're down to about 28 indicate. And he said, right, he said, keep pulling and see what happens. So I kept pulling, that went whop, like that, like a pendulum. Fully inverted in the opposite direction, straight into a spin. Whoa! But it come out just as quick.
Yeah.
It's part
Yeah.
of it. You don't so much get in it as put it on.
Yeah.
And once you won't need rudder, you can fly it. That's your throttle,
Yeah.
which is all you'll need. Once we get up there, you can fly it, and you will find that the controls are they're out of this world.
Are they?
They're better than the 8. They're renowned as being the best sort of two-seat aircraft in the sky, really.
Yeah.
But obviously, people are biased, and I accept that, but it ain't far from the truth. Okay. Sorry about that one up. Fingers, 'cause this will let your fingers clear.
not actually been in the little clubhouse before. But there we go. Welcome to Monewden Airfield, and there is the welcome. Tea, coffee, kettle, lights, everything very clean, very nice. And what a beautiful clubhouse. I don't have to whiz around too quickly. I do want to give you some idea of what it's like. Very nice. Well, here we are, very comfortable at Monewden. We were going to go into Duxford, but the weather is coming in from the west, and yeah, it was not particularly pleasant. And we thought, well, if we're going to pay the landing fee, we want to spend some time there. So it looked nice this way. John has been coming over here doing work on Mike's plane, as you've seen from the various videos with my hat and my t-shirt. Phil's been doing lots of embroidery and heat printing for me, so we thought we'd come and have a little look. As I said in a previous video, if you haven't actually been across and called in, then do so. It is a lovely place, and Steve and everybody here give you a really good warm welcome. And coming out of a clubhouse, you're on a very nice veranda. Very close to the long runway. Short runway runs at right angles to it. But the RV takes up a fair amount of space. But having said that, we still only used half of the available runway length. Really good visit. While John was flying Steve, Mike returned in the Jabber route. He said he saw me standing there and was really chuffed to pull off an absolute greaser in front of the camera. I have been filming some of the work that John and Mike have been doing on Mike's Maverick. There's hardly any power on, but I mean we were still coming down here at 80 or 90.
Yes. Yeah. Well, it will do, won't it?
And of course, you know, he has to be very flat with this.
Yeah.
Unlike what I tend to do with mine, I put the air brake out and then sort of dive from height.
Yes. Well, you see the approach to the jab is lots of side slip at the end.
Yeah.
You can have all the height on the circuit, that's fine.
Yeah.
And then if the fan stops, I can still get to the
That's
field.
it, yeah.
Can you hear me okay? Yeah, fine. Right, fuel pressure gauge is showing constant pressure now, so we should be alright. Well, I'll obviously take off with the boost pump on. Right, T's and P's are okay. Right, she seems happy enough now. Yeah. looks a little bit greyer than it did.
Yep.
Looks like we're going to have to go through some rain.
Yeah. Quite possible. I know I shouldn't have washed it.
Yeah.
You getting wet yet?
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
Train traffic, Golf Alpha Bravo, left base 409.
Just got dripped on my shoulder.
Train traffic, what's your weather?
Yeah, starting to drizzle a little bit, but I've just flown from Clacton and it was pretty awful down there.
Yeah, tell me about it. I'm in it.
Yeah, it's alright around Braintree, the visibility's reasonably good, but there's a bit of drizzle.
Yeah, we're about 2-3 miles into to go to Nayland, and it's down on the deck and looking horrible.
Well, be safe, good luck.
Cheers. My knees are getting wet.
Are they? You'd be getting wet in the Jodelle, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Well, you would. It doesn't seem to leak quite so much my side.
Oh, I thought you meant in the D9.
Oh, yeah. In your D9 you would, do you?
Now this is tricky because I can't see diddly squat out the front. At the moment we're a bit too fast. Well, that was interesting.
A little bit wet out there.